In this video, we'll walk you through the business process flow supported by the R-WAVE ERP system, using an example based on a real manufacturing company. R-WAVE ERP is a universal solution, supporting all types of manufacturing industries and operations, whether discrete, repetitive, project-based, or outsourced. In our example, the process begins with the creation of the deep hierarchical product structure. This is handled by the mechanical engineering team, who define every component. Once the structure is complete, it's confirmed, and production request can be created. At this point, R-WAVE activates the production list, a master list that includes all planned items for manufacturing. In some companies, the process may not start from engineering. For example, when working with outsourcing models or when clients provide full product specifications, the process might begin with creating an offer based on the received documentation. In R-WAVE ERP, we support multiple starting scenarios depending on your business model, and the system can easily adapt to your workflow. Now, let's return to the production list. At this stage, the warehouse checks the availability of all required items in stock. If certain items are missing, the system automatically identifies the deficit and categorizes them based on sourcing strategy. For purchased items, the procurement process begins with automatically generated order requests based on production lists. This starts a procurement chain, managed by the procurement department. The system supports both manual and automatic procurement workflows, depending on the context. The procurement team can order from a known supplier, or launch a tender to compare offers. Before proceeding, the system ensures payment authorization according to internal financial policies. Tool requests and general procurement requests, such as for office equipment, can be submitted by authorized employees across the company at any time. In our case, the warehouse can also automatically generate tool purchase orders when specific needs arise. For manufacturing parts, production department decides whether to manufacture in-house or proceed with outsourcing. R-WAVE ERP supports the full production workflow, including Gantt-style production planning to visualize and track all stages in real time. Once an order is created and a production request is issued, the warehouse delivers the required materials and confirms the delivery. After that, an authorized person confirms the production start. All stages are documented and tracked with process confirmations throughout. For outsourced production, the system supports a dedicated outsourcing flow. You can easily create and manage outsourcing orders through the outsourcing chain module. This menu guides you through the entire process, from the initial request to final delivery. It includes selecting the right subcontractor, confirming payment terms, and tracking all stages of outsourced work. Once production or outsourcing is completed, quality control, QC, is performed. Items that pass QC are delivered to the warehouse and properly shelved. R-WAVE ERP supports flexible warehouse configuration and can manage multiple warehouse locations, making it easy to track and allocate inventory across sites. Items that fail QC are sent to a warehouse isolator for further action. Advanced isolator flow supports all existing QC cases. From here, multiple flows are possible: rework request, for internal or outsourced repair, disassembly, or write-off, with financial confirmation, that each route is recorded in the system and tracked until fully resolved. R-WAVE also manages inventory operations, such as stock taking, and RMA processing. Once the product is added to available stock, it's ready for sale and customer delivery. The system also includes a built-in CRM module to track and manage marketing activities, sales events, customer relationships, and event outcomes. The sales process begins with the sales manager creating a sales chain. From there, products can be easily added, offers prepared, and pricing configured. Once the offer is confirmed, a delivery chain is created, and the process moves forward to customer delivery. Beyond core operations, R-WAVE ERP supports business trip registration, correspondence and document archiving, advanced reporting and ERP statistics, and full administration control. These modules ensure your entire organization, not just production, runs smoothly and efficiently. As you can see, R-WAVE ERP covers the entire lifecycle. To learn more, explore our other tutorials,